Get creative with your shampoo routine. Introducing double cleansing for your scalp. Start with this effective oil cleanser that you can make right at home. Add a few tablespoons of the oil-absorbent apple cider vinegar and 3 to 4 drops of refreshing peppermint oil to coconut oil. Give your scalp a good massage with this DIY cleanser for a few minutes. Give your regular shampoo an upgrade and make it extra clarifying by adding a few drops of tea tree oil to this. Cleanse the oil well and your scalp will feel so much fresher. Scrubbing and exfoliation is not just for your face or body. Get rid of dead skin buildup on your scalp with this simple DIY scrub. All you need is your regular shampoo and an exfoliant of your choice. We're going with energizing coffee, but you can also try oats, sea salt or sugar. The exfoliant will work on scrubbing off the dead skin buildup and also help increase blood circulation while your shampoo cleanses as usual. Treat your scalp to a cleansing and hydrating mask with all natural ingredients. Grab an aloe leaf and scoop out the pulp. Add some multani mitti and rose water to this and whip it up into a moussey mask. Multani mitti is an excellent oil absorbent, rose water will help cleanse, and aloe hydrates your scalp and prevents overdrying or flaking skin. Apply this to the roots, put on a shower cap to avoid the mess, and leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash this off and skip the shampoo after this. A toner helps absorb excess oil and cleanses dirt from your pores, so why wouldn't it work for the scalp? Mix equal parts of green tea that reduces inflammation and itchiness with the astringent rose water that balances excess oil production. Use a cotton pad to soak this up and dab your scalp with this while your hair is still damp. Once your hair dries, you'll notice it feeling oil-free and matte until your next wash. We hope you found this video helpful and get to work on achieving the cleanest scalp ever. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.